Oh, we got inch line. Or no, wait. Oh, monitor. We got monitor on these things.
Monitor? Oh, it's green.
Oh, it's down green?
Yes.
Looks like we got former US.
Yeah, the orange one.
Interesting. Oh, I like these fixtures.
Yeah. Monitor, you said this is?
Yes.
This really reminds me of Kone M Series.
It does.
I always really liked M Series.
I've never
It's
been
my
on one,
favorite.
obviously, because.
Well, we're in America, they don't have one.
Yeah.
Green though, green's my favorite. It's very slow.
Yes, this is not the fastest elevator.
300 something FPM probably. From the feel of it. This is like the speed of Porter hospitals.
Yeah, these
Service
are a
elevator.
little too slow. I would make these 400. Geez, look at these screws. Oh, wow, they're just hanging. That's why.
Probably not mess with them like that.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, we do.
All right, well, I'll end it here. Might as well.